In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create sheets and place views on the respective sheets using Dynamo and Excel. Hi everyone, Alberto here with BIM Lounge. Make sure you don't miss any of our weekly BIM productivity videos. Now, in part 1, I showed how to bulk create dependent views for your project. So if you missed that video, make sure you watch that one first. I'll put a link in the description. Now let's get into part 2. Now let's do a quick recap. We've already created all these views based on 3 levels, overall plans, and enlarged plans, 4 quadrants per each level. Now in this video I'm going to focus on creating sheets for a specific drawing type, a presentation plan, but obviously this process applies to any of your drawing types. Now I do recommend you keep a sheet template for each one of your drawing types. This will allow you to quickly copy associated legends and schedules with that drawing type in all your sheets. Now this Dynamo script will read from a list of sheets included in an Excel file, and we're going to associate certain views to these sheets. Now let's take a look at what views we should include and how. If you head over to File, Print, or Control P, I'm sure you've used the sheet set before associated with the sheets. In this case, I created view lists, and I'm going to deselect sheets list, and as you can see I have view lists associated with the project setup for each one of these view types. Now let's take a look at presentation plan views. I have a view associated with each one of these sheets, so I have overall and then the 4 quadrants, and that applies to all the 3 levels. Now once you're done with your selection, you can go ahead and save the view list as, so that Dynamo can easily pull that list and associate these views with those sheets. Now this script uses out-of-the-box Dynamo nodes except from a node from Archilab, so make sure you install that package first, and a couple of custom nodes, but I'll include a link in the description for the whole script. Now let's take a look at how the script works. Now the first thing you want to do is of course browse to the location where the spreadsheet is located, and to make sure that you're reading from the correct tab, in this case presentation plans, but I do have other tabs that I may use for all the other drawing types. Now at that point we have some list management to make sure that we're reading from the correct number column and name column. Now at this point we have a custom Python script. Again, I'll provide a link in the description, and we need to provide the right title block type, because this script is going to create sheets using this title block. And at this point we're placing views on a sheet, and there's a node from Archilab which is view sets, and this is exactly the view set that we just created and filled out with all the list of essentially presentation plan views. And at this point we're placing that view or that set of views on these sheets. Now this represents the actual location, and you can customize this, but what I usually do is leave it as default and then place my sheets manually depending on the type of view that goes on that certain sheet. Now let's go ahead and run the script. And as you can see, it created both the overall sheets and the quadrant sheets. Now let's take a look at the views that are actually on them, and as you can see they all correspond. We have level 1 with level 1, overall, and all these sheets are correctly placed based on the view set order and the order that we establish for the sheets in here. Now the location of your geometries will change from one project to the other, so it's best to just put all the views on the respective sheet and then place the views manually depending on, again, where the project is located in the whole scheme of things. Now the next step of course is to align all these views on a sheet, as well as place the legends and the schedules in the right spot on each sheet. Now I have a video that shows how to automate these tasks. I'll put a link in the description. Now a question for you: how do you automate the project creation? Let me know in the comments below. Also, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.